Hi there, my name is Mish and today I want to show you some simple DIY upcycling hacks I actually use from time to time, come in handy and reduce your waste in a creative way. Let's get started! You want to save frustration and a lot of paper waste? Then I have something for you. I'll show you how you can easily create order among your cables. For this you need cardboard rolls of toilet or kitchen paper and a box in which you can store your cables. Wrap your cables, preferably round. This is better for them because they do not break so quickly. Once you've wrapped your cables, simply put them in the rolls and place them in the box, and your cable box is ready. Do you also use your fitted sheets and bed sheets until they are old and torn? Instead of just throwing them away, you can still put them to good use. I'll show you two variants with which you can still use your old comforter covers useful. First of all, we'll be sewing a few racks. It is especially simple and fast. We start by measuring what size we want our racks to be, draw a cutting line and cut the racks accordingly. Afterwards, we proceed to pinning the edges. This step makes sewing easier and prevents the edges of the fabric from fraying. Try to pin all four sides about the same length, and then sew as close as possible to the pinned edge to create a nice seam. And finished are your racks. And ready for use. The second thing I want to show you is how to make a grain pillow using simple household items. I used the corner of the pillowcase to sew only two sides. After measuring, cut out the part you want to use and turn the inside out. So that the sides do not slip, they are pinned before sewing. One side of the pillow remains open so that you can turn the fabric over and then fill it. I take rice for the filling, but you can also use other grains or seeds, like cherry seeds or lentils. After filling, the last side is sewn shut and the grain pillow is ready. And that's it! I hope you enjoyed our upcycling hacks, and you could pick something up for yourself.